Good morning, dear children. So this is our video in which I will show you some constructions, and you will need these things for the constructions. Okay, 2 pencils, one with the tighten with the compass, one separate, sharpener, eraser, ruler, and one pen just to write through. Okay, this pen is not necessary. So now children, let's see here. Now we are going to draw the line segment of a given length using a ruler and using a ruler only and using a compass. So first, in the first one we will use only ruler and a pencil. So here in the question it is asking that draw a line segment AB of length 5 cm. So what you need to do, you just place this ruler on the page firmly and just hold it firmly. Okay, now you have to make 2 markings. So one marking should be at the 0 and the other marking should be at the 5, wherever you are finding. So you can see that marking 0 is here, so you just give a point where you are finding the 0. Okay, now the second point you have to give where you are finding the reading 5. So here you have the 5, so here you have to mark. Okay, now just draw a straight line between these 2 points. So we have drawn, and this is our line segment. I'm sorry, this has extended a bit, so let me erase it. Okay, now it is okay. So these are the 2 points. So let's name it. This point will be named as per given the question. So A and B, and you can write it as AB is equals to 5 cm. Okay, now we will draw a line segment named CD equals to 6 cm using the compass. So for this, children, you simply need to draw a long straight line. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just hold the scale firmly with the page and I'll draw a straight line. Okay, this is our straight line, and on this line we'll mark a point, any one of those 2. So let's say C. Okay, now what you need to do, this compass, using this compass we need to take the arc equal to this length, 6 cm. So how we will take the arc? Here we have the ruler, and this metal tip we have to fix it at 0, and this pencil tip we have to take it to 6. So 0 to, you can see 0 to where we are finding the, yes, exactly here. Okay, so this is the arc length equal to the 6 cm. Now remove it, and please make sure that this compass should neither be too tight nor be too loose, so that it does not disturb. Okay, so now place the metal tip on the point C. Okay, taking it as a center and this length as a radius. Just give a cut mark on this line. Okay, so here we have given the cut mark. So wherever this arc is intersecting this line, that point will be named as D. Okay, so we have got our length CD. So, and this, the value of this line will be equal to 6 cm. Okay, so you can write CD is equals to 6 cm. Now children, let's solve few questions of the exercise 15.2. okay, and before that, children, we need to learn few definitions. What definitions we have? Suppose if we draw a line, like if a line is drawn parallel, first of all let me explain what is a parallel line and the intersecting line and the different types of line. If a line is drawn like in the sleeping position, like when we sleep, so when we sleep the line is like this. Okay, so this type of line is called the horizontal line. So from here onwards we will proceed for types of lines. Okay, So this type of line is called horizontal line. Horizontal line. Okay, and the lines which represents the standing position, like when we stand, so like this we stand always on the ground, so this is called the vertical line. Vertical line. Okay, this type of lines are called vertical line. Okay, now if a line is neither horizontal nor vertical, or it will make some other angles. Okay, so like this, like this, you can see that it is neither sleeping or nor standing, so these types of lines are called oblique line. Oblique lines. Okay, then we have, okay, you see that if these lines are extended further, so these lines will intersect at this point. Okay, so the lines in a plane which meet or which intersect itself each other are called intersecting lines. So if I draw these types of lines, okay, you can see that these two lines are intersecting each other at point O. So these types of lines are called intersecting lines. Okay, and so the definitions is the lines in a plane which intersect each other are called intersecting lines. Okay, now let's go into the second one, and the point at which they intersect is called point of intersection. Point of intersection. Now we have, let's draw another set of lines. So this, okay, and this. So children, you can see that even when I extend these two lines are never going to meet each other. They will, even if we extend on the leftwards or the rightwards, these lines are never going to meet with each other or never going to intersect each other. So these types of lines are called parallel lines. Okay, so parallel lines, and the definition is the lines which never intersect are called parallel lines. And if this line is named as AB and this line is named as PQ, so it is shown that AB is parallel to PQ. Okay, like this it is written. This is the sign, a symbol of parallel. AB is parallel to PQ, or it can also be written as PQ is parallel to AB. The both are the correct ways to indicate. Now we have another type of line is called perpendicular lines. If the two lines are making 90 degree with each other. Okay, so for example, if I draw one line like this and the other line just intersecting each other at the 90 degree, so these types of lines are called perpendicular lines where they intersect each other at the 90 degree. Okay, so these lines are called perpendicular lines. Okay, so here we can write the lines which make 90 degree with each other are called perpendicular lines. Okay, and how to indicate it symbolically? So let's say that this line is named as AB, okay, and this line is named as PQ. So we call it as AB is perpendicular. This is the symbol of perpendicular. AB is perpendicular to PQ, or we can call it as PQ is perpendicular to AB. Okay, these are the indications. Now in the next video we will learn how to draw a parallel line and a perpendicular line of a given line segment.